Channel on the internet.
Welcome back to the show, and before I get the video rolling, I would like to say thank you for everybody for the great, amazing birthday wishes that it was yesterday. For the people that watched the video, Throwback Thursday. And yep, you're gonna notice in my voice, I still got the bad cold. And hopefully I'll get better for the weekend. But now let's go with the show. And we're back at it again. We're gonna try to go to where we tried yesterday and it was too foggy, so we're gonna try it again because today is a beautiful day. Hopefully once we get out there it's not foggy again, but I don't think so because it looks clear all the way around. But you never know, once we get into the river things might change. But here we go. Long and short. It is a hot day. It's crazy. Yeah, actually, it was pretty cold yesterday in the afternoon. Now it got hot. I guess there was a cold front. The fog was a cold front coming. A few people has requested me to record the channels because there are over 400 miles of channels in Cape Coral. I didn't know that until I looked it up. So that's why Cape Coral is famous around the world for having the most channels, and I guess in the community. And we're to the north. I want to say no, not the north, the middle east side of Cape Coral. So there's still more south of us and north of us. So there's a lot of channels here. And maybe one day when I'm bored, I think I did it once on a dinghy. If I find that video, I'm gonna put it on the link below so you guys can look at it. I think I did it a little bit with the dinghy, but there's a lot more to do here, but not today. Today we're on a mission. On a mission to go where we were supposed to go yesterday. For those people here on the west coast, especially that they use the river to go in and out, the second idle zone is back up. No more free rides. They got the signs up and everybody's going slow through here now. I mean, there's occasional people that kind of cruise by because they're used to the old way, but no more, baby. You gotta go idle. And the second, right before the Miserable Mile, Cape Coral Bridge, the second idle zone is back. It's back, baby. So I got one freebie. No more freebie. Now if you get caught, you're gonna get a ticket. So be careful, guys, out on the west coast. We got fellow Suzuker on the west coast. And here also, a lot of people are repowering with Suzuki. Get your Suzuki, baby, and call reliable. #1 in the USFA. Just look at the numbers, baby. Look at the numbers. Reliable, on top. And once again, the Miserable Mile is packing, baby, packing. I'm starting to believe that definitely there's more winter boating on the west coast than summer boating, because oh my gosh, this usually doesn't happen during summertime, only in special long weekends. But other than that, I mean, this weekend ain't special. Ain't nothing going on, and we got a bunch of folks going on their boats, like us. You guys remember this yesterday? There was a fog screen right after the miserable mile, but not today. Today is nice and clear, baby. Nice and clear. So hopefully we can make it to our destination and we don't have to go to a different spot. But because I'm determined to go. I'm determined to go to our secret sandbar. And while we take it slow at the miserable mile, I want to take this time to say thank you for those guys that, you know, that send me gifts through the comments. Thank you so much. You know, really appreciate it. Thank you, and that helps for gas in the boat. No, but thank you so much, guys. It's awesome. Thank you for letting me know that you guys really appreciate the videos. I mean, I do it for fun, but this is work, you know, because you have to edit. You gotta find time to go do, you know, the boating videos, find places. So it is work. So, you know, thank you so much for those people for those gifts. Thank you. Check this out, guys. Look at this little island by the miserable mile. I got a picnic table. For those people who like to sightsee, you don't have to go far. Just come hang out right there. And look, you got all shells and sand right there. She couldn't hang in the front. It's too cold. Right? You couldn't hang in the front. It's too cold. A lot of boat traffic today, like yesterday. Woo!
Yep.
Woo! It's a little bumpy out here. Woo!
And we are cruising at 32 miles an hour, and the ride took us an hour and 25 minutes.
So here it is, guys. We made it to our private island / sandbar. Y'all ready for this? Look at that.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, nobody's here, guys. Because it's really tricky to get in here. That's why nobody's here. So we're gonna anchor up and enjoy our private sandbar for today.
Oh man.
So there it is. You like it this? Oh, we got a bandit on the boat. You're a bandit? So you like it the sandbar?
We had a really nice afternoon yesterday. We finally made it to Sanibel, but this was the actual destination that we were supposed to go. Just the weather didn't cooperate with us. So you are welcome to enjoy it with us, our own private island.
Sandbar. Yes. It's a little tricky to get in here because it has a very, around right there, has a real big low area, like a foot or less. So we were picking up sand, but I was flying, so I couldn't stop. But the actual way to come in is through this side. This side is deeper, and then you got to come around the sandbar over there, and then you're back in the channel. So that's what we're gonna do on our way back. But right now we're gonna enjoy paradise. Yeah, we're gonna do a water clarity test. I give it a maybe a 5 because we are in the bay though, but it's pretty clean to be in the bay. Because remember, the bay here is mixed with brackish water. So today, look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is amazing. We're gonna walk this whole thing. And then she's at it again. Show picking while I do exploring. Look at that. We got little
Cove, whatever that is inside there. We're gonna walk, and you know what's over there? That's the Gulf right there. So this is intercoastal, right? This is the intercoastal here, right? And that's the actual Gulf of America right there. So we're gonna walk around. Sand check, lots of shells, a lot of bird tracks. And how do you rate this beach? Well, Sandbar.
I like it.
You like it? You got shells?
Just to get here is a problem because it's kind of low.
Because we came in the wrong place. But now I know how we're gonna get in here. It's amazing though. It's beautiful, beautiful. It's huge too.
Especially because now the water is clean.
Yeah, the water's pretty good.
It's a nice change, you know.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, we got some locals that came to say what's it.
I'll tell you guys a secret. I thought we were gonna have the island or the Sandbar just for ourselves.
Come on now, this is a PG show. What are you doing? Look at the pelicans, guys, the white pelicans. They have a whole row. They have a whole posse. Where are they going? They're chilling, boy. Look at that. That is awesome. They're all flying in a straight row. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. A bunch of white pelicans. That's so cool. Oh, they're landing. There's a whole bunch of them. Check out the natives. They're out here chilling on the island. Well, the Sandbar Island. I don't know what it is called, but I guess it's a Sandbar part of the island. This is amazing, guys. I love this. And look. Let me be quiet so you guys enjoy the sounds of the beach on the other side. Right over there. That's the beach right there. That's where we're going. We're gonna go check it out. Love it. Love it. No sponges. So we're gonna do some exploration. We're gonna go walk to the beach side and see how the beach is. Oh, this is amazing. I like it. This is super cool. She was finding something. Look at that. This is awesome. I love it. Oh man, this is so cool. Check this out. Boy, I love this. I really, really do. This is so cool right here. And if I remember from the first time I came here, it wasn't like this. I guess the second hurricane must have made it stretched out more sand. Must have took more sand because it wasn't like this. What is it?
Are those eggs?
What are you talking about?
What is that?
What?
Or is that foam? What is that?
Oh no, that's foam. Yeah, that's foam.
From where?
When foam falls apart, it's the little round things. Oh look! Oh my God, this is a perfect place to camp. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. We could go camping right here.
Yes.
Look, right there, somebody did a little fire.
Oh my God.
Oh yes, we could camp here. Oh, we gotta set this up for next weekend to camp out here. Yes. Oh my God, this is great. What's next weekend? I don't even know what's next weekend, but sounds like a good idea. Look at this. We have this here. Let's go to the beach. That's the Gulf of, wait, that's the Gulf of America right there, guys. Look at that. It's right there. This is so cool. I mean, I love this. You know, I love exploring new places. And actually, like I said, I've been here like a year ago, more or less, and it was completely different. Now it's taking a different shape. Where she went? She don't got lost. Come on, girlfriend. Usual. She got left behind because she's shell picking. Shell picking. All right, so now we're on the beach side. Check it out. I love this. I really, really love this. Just being here by ourselves. I love this. This is amazing. Look at that. Man, she's always getting left behind. I just want to look at the beach real quick. Here it is. Wow. Right now I think we're in high tide. So let me see. Oh look, somebody did another bonfire here, I guess. Oh yes. Love it. Love it. Oh my god, look, a piece of a boat. It must have got drifted in from the hurricane. Let's go check it out. I think a piece of a boat. Something. Check it out. Woo! Water is cold, my god. Water is freezing. Oh, I think it's a shed. I don't know what it is. We'll go check it out. I guess it's part of the debris from one of the hurricanes. Oh no, it's actually fiberglass. So yeah, I guess it's a piece of a boat. Yep. Wow, that's crazy. I guess from the hurricane, they winded up over here. Oh, look at this, guys. This thing got jumper cables. Anybody need to jump? Look at this, jumper cables. Ah, can't get it. Ah, can't get it. Look at that. And there it is. Look at that. No one in sight. Just like I like. This is awesome. Look at this. Wow.
So okay guys, so what do you think about this amazing sandbar / island? And I know what you're gonna ask me right away. Where is it located? Well, this is Cayo Costa by Cactiva Island. It is a little bit different from the first time I came here. Actually now it's even bigger, and I think it's an ideal place to spend the weekend camping. Just remember, it's a little tricky to get here because right in front of it is a lot of shallow areas, so you actually have to pass the sandbar and to the north side come around, and you're gonna find the channel is about 3 to 4 feet deep. And this place is so amazing that I took so much footage that I have enough to do a second episode, and Olguita is gonna take advantage of this beautiful place and take pictures. Plus you can't forget about barbecue time, baby.
Wow, this chicken is the funk phenomenon.
And the barbecue sauce and everything.
Wow.
Like you saw in the first part, this is an amazing place and we had an amazing time. So make sure to tune in and check your notifications for part 2.